Okay, so here we are in the oldest attic that I've seen for these past couple of weeks. This attic hatch is not very big. We're looking at literally this 16. You can see it's not very big. This is 16. This is 20 inches here. Get up here. So the owner emptied it, and then we're going to go and fix it. It's nice and old. So he had to install some of these extra frames just because it was probably not up to code, and so we're going to do an R60. And so you've got here the heat ducts that are running. All right, down here all through the new part, and there's going to be there's an existing portion here as well of the house that we're not touching, but we're going to be building up a border here so that the 2 feet, yes, 2 foot mark shows up right about here. So yeah, it's going to be pretty high. All brand new.